Well, hey everyone, Jason here, and I just real quickly wanted to share a funny story that happened to me today. So like right around lunchtime, I got this package and from Adafruit, which was really exciting. I've been waiting for my brand new Feather Feather M4 Express little development board, and I think these are cool. I'm really excited to get it. One, because Adafruit makes really cool stuff. Two, because I'm really interested in CircuitPython. I think I'm personally learning Python myself, and I want to figure out how to apply it to microcontroller boards. I also think Python is a really interesting language for the future of high-level synthesis, which is a completely separate topic, but something I'm interested in. Some people are using it in certain ways. I think it might actually be a better solution than some of the C-based HLS stuff that's out there, but we can talk about that later. So anyway, I was really excited to get this board. Now, this board ships without the headers installed, and so I thought, well, I might as well take this opportunity to get in the lab and try my hand with the soldering iron. I don't get to do that very often, and so I decided, well, here's my chance. I fired up the soldering iron, and I have to say, my solder joints actually don't look too bad. It took me a few passes to get them right, and I had to go back and fix a couple things. But here's what happens when the sales and marketing guy goes in the lab. You see, he puts the headers on the wrong way. So you can notice that they are on the wrong side of the board, which you might think, well, that looks okay, Jason. You can put wires into it, except for the fact that, well, it doesn't want to plug into a breadboard very easily, right? The whole idea of putting headers on there is to put it on this breadboard. And now I can't, of course. I can put it in upside down and still take advantage of it, except for that little connector right there won't let me push it in. So, moral of the story is, maybe I should probably let somebody else do my soldering from now on. Now, I wasn't going to talk about this. I was just going to kind of hide it and try to fix it later, but I was sharing this story with our CTO this afternoon. He assured me it's not just the marketing department that makes these kind of mistakes. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Hope you guys enjoy it, get a good laugh. Let me know, am I the only one that's done this, or have you done something like this as well? Hope you're having a great day. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.